Hello, good day and welcome to the stock market channel. In this video, we'll be looking at chart lessons that we can learn from NVDA. And NVDA is, as you know, is a stock that has been going up and up and up. You can see even from this daily time frame from March, it went up from about 120 and today it's 300 over. So basically almost tripling in prices. What can we learn from this stock? Okay, let me just get rid of the MACD first. And I want to add the 200 MA. 200 MA. Let's make it a bit. The line is 200 MA. And thickness. Okay, I think you can see the 200 MA. This is the 200 MA. Now, the reason why we want to study past charts and understand why they go up, because when you study charts, it can teach you a lot of lessons, and if you study more and more about the history of stock charts and why some stocks move and behave the way they are, you will be able to spot this kind of turn and events more in the future. Now, why is it that NVDA has been such a super performer? Even if you go back all the way back to 2020, right, from about 40 over dollars, now it's 300 over. One of the reasons is because it's a stock that is in demand. These chips are a lot of demand, but we're not going to look at the fundamental side. We're going to look at the technical side. Why is it going up? And one of the reasons is, if you can see, from around August of 2019, it went back above the 200 MA. Whenever a stock goes back above the 200 MA, and then there's a bullish cross in the 20 MA and 50 MA, and all three moving averages start to slope up. You can see the 20 MA sloping up here, the 50 MA, which is the blue line, is sloping up, and then the 200 MA sloping up. There is a high probability that this stock is going to perform very, very well. Sure, there's a correction here, but it never really decisively closed below the 200 MA. And the 200 MA was sloping up. It corrected down to the 200 MA, but didn't really close or break below. All the time the 200 MA is rising, as opposed to here, you can see the 200 MA is declining. So if you want to look for a stock to invest, hold for very long term, always find a stock that is trading above the 200 MA. At this moment, what does this chart tell you? The 200 MA is still rising, and so NVDA is a stock that you should want to continue to invest in. Every time it drops, as long as it doesn't go below the 200 MA and makes a lower high, lower low, means a change of trend. Every time it drops, you want to invest a bit more. Your timing doesn't need to be so perfect, because if you're investing, you don't need to be so perfect, your timing. Every time it drops, you buy a bit more. Now, what if you are a swing trader or a trader that wants to go in and out? You don't want to hold it the entire period. Yes, you can find a stock that is above the rising 200 MA, and there are times you can play the a stock doesn't go up straight parabolic usually. Sometimes it go up, just like NVIDIA, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go up, go down. So if a stock is above the rising 200 MA, there are two ways you can play it. You can buy the bullish reversal after the stock corrects, or you can buy a continuation. So let's take a look at NVIDIA from this point onwards. Okay, it goes up and then goes back down. So the 200 MA could give you a place to buy. Sometimes it acts as a very strong support. You could buy it for a swing trade. Now this is also an opportunity to buy a swing trade up. Now if it drops to 200 MA, it's a good place to buy here. But what you can do is you can draw a downtrend line, right? This is what I call a breakdown trend line at the 200 MA. So when the stock hits the 200 MA, it goes back above the downtrend line. Yeah, it's a buying opportunity here also. Here we have an additional support here. The 50 MA acts as a support. I don't wonder you can see this or not. This is actually a mini cup with handle as well. Right? It can be a entry point for you around here to play a swing trade up. So this was a very nice move because 50 MA support and 200 MA support. When it breaks the downtrend line, one could buy it and ride it higher. And since the NVDA is still in an uptrend, are there continuation patterns? Yes, they are. Here is one of them. We can draw a downtrend line, uptrend line. This is a triangle breakout. Okay, it took some time for it to go up, but the tip of the triangle usually can become a support area, which is why when NVDA corrected to here, it bounced up because the triangle area is support area. And from there, you can see it moves up all the time. Now, one thing to take note is when the stock is above the 20 MA, is a very good time for swing trades. You can see when it's above the 20 MA, the red line here is good for swing trades. And here also, when it went back above the 20 MA, is good for short-term trades. When it's below it, it's not good for short-term trades, but longer-term trades. Anyway, if you switch the 60-minute chart, right, you can see there are entry points as well. This is a 60-minute chart. It takes some time to load the 20 MA. Where is it? It's not showing. 20 MA is not showing. Okay, take a bit time to load. So after the correction here, it goes back up. The 20 MA cross above the 50 MA in the hourly chart, and you can see boom, nice run up. So you can find continuation patterns when the 20 MA and 50 MA is below the price, or the price is above the 60-minute 20 MA and 50 MA. Here is one of it. This is a continuation pattern, a triangle. Actually, I took a trade in this stock when it has this continuation pattern. You could maybe you can call it a ascending triangle or a 60-minute triangle, doesn't matter. It went up here and I bought around here, put a stop loss around maybe here or here, I can't remember, and it went up because you see this move up here is halfway. From here to here, it's halfway, and you can usually project upwards to get the target. So continuation patterns are very reliable and very nice to play when the stock is halfway. So you can, this is A to B and B to C, so halfway, almost halfway. Sometimes they top out a bit early. So continuation patterns in the 60-minute chart can also give us very nice trading opportunities, especially when the stock is above the rising 60-minute 20 MA and 50 MA. So right now it's trading, it's very extended, zigzag. Maybe we want to wait for another bigger continuation pattern. I think maybe it might want to form a base here. You know, if it doesn't correct, we want to see it form a base. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this chart lesson. There are so many things we can learn when we study the chart. For example, here it's a triangle, daily triangle, you know, it's A to B, B to C. You can see how the pattern can give us a trade. So by studying charts, we can learn a lot, and hopefully when the next NVDA comes in, or whatever its name it is, there will always be stocks like this above the rising 200 MA. There are tons of stocks like this, and we want to find trading setups when the stock is above their 200 MA. So hopefully you enjoy this trading lesson, and see you in the next one.